Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today we're gonna go pick up a 2023 A91 manual GR Supra. I have been keeping this a secret from all of you guys because I thought it would be really cool. We also actually have a mod to put on the new Supra. Let's go ahead, meet this owner, and get this transaction going. What up?
How you doing?
Pretty good, you? Guys, this is Sarit. This is the owner of the Supra, and he's gonna be selling it to me, so let's go ahead and check this out. Damn! And you said it's stick shift too, right?
Stick shift?
Let's check it out.
Take a look, let's go.
Damn! This is nice interior, and there it is, guys. Ooh.
Stay inside.
Yeah, I gotta see what I'm buying, right? Wait, we gotta check if it's in neutral.
Yep.
Oh, it's all, damn, this thing is all the way in.
Put it on sport mode if you like. Drive it? I need the cash though.
Wait, I got it right here. Guys, we're just kidding. I'm not buying this car. I'm way too broke to buy it.
I'm broke too, it's okay.
I'm actually surprising my buddy Sarit. We've known each other since high school. No, middle school actually.
Middle school.
I'm surprising him with an XForce exhaust. He just got this car. He just put it on wheels. And what do you need?
I need exhaust.
Exactly. So we're gonna give him an exhaust and we're gonna install it today. And hopefully it sounds a lot better. Like I said, he's been wanting an exhaust, and XForce reached out to me and they wanted to give us an exhaust. And I was like, dude, I have the perfect car to give an exhaust to, and we're gonna give it to his beautiful manual Supra. Oh my God. Bro, this thing is amazing. No wonder why you picked it. It's so beautiful. What the hell? Hey, but it's a little too low. How are we gonna get it on jacks?
Oh, I got wood.
You handle that. I'll bring the exhaust over here.
Alright.
Dude, check out this car that he's building right now. Before you start it, what motor is that for all my subscribers?
It's a 3UZ engine with a CDO1 transmission.
You guys hear that? He put a Lexus engine in this thing. Lexus boys, let's go.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, shit. That's a V8. Damn. He did all this work himself. Look at that. God damn. Damn, all built by you. So what else do you need to finish it?
Shifting. I'm having difficulty of shifting it into gear smoothly, so who knows?
So what can you do to fix that, unless you haven't figured it out yet?
Buy a new car.
That's right.
Buy a new car. I think that's the best option, right?
Yeah.
You want to buy it? You can buy the Supra and the Datsun.
It's only tempting because it has a Lexus motor in it, and everyone loves this motor. If you're not getting an LS, you're getting this motor.
Sheesh.
So XForce sent us their LiQWYD exhaust, and I believe it's a valved exhaust, which is really great because Sarit wanted to not get pulled over by cops and to just kind of like shut it off whenever he wanted to.
This is my first time tearing it apart for the exhaust.
Let's do an unboxing. This is for you. Surprise.
It's okay, I have muscles.
Do you feel like a kid on Christmas?
I do.
Adult Christmas?
Adult Christmas. Oh, no, these are the tips.
Oh, that's, holy shit.
That's big.
Jeez. God damn.
It's nice and shiny.
You think it'll fit?
XForce.
Alright guys, we got everything laid out. We have the tips. This is the actual muffler. And I guess one of this is the mid pipe, and then one actually goes to your headers. Honestly, it just looks like a straight up straight pipe. Like a really clean straight pipe. We have a little flex pipe right here. But on the bright side, we have the Valvetronic system, which is right here. Bolts and gaskets. Sorry.
What up?
I know you're into girls, but you picked the wrong car if you wanted to pull girls.
More of a dick magnet than a girl magnet.
All you get are dudes. Alright, everything's good to go. Car's jacked up. Let's get to wrenching. Alright guys, y'all thought I wasn't gonna help on this install. You thought wrong. I brought my secret weapon. Hey bro, you got a 10 mil?
Yeah, I got 10 mil. That looks bougie as hell. The funds of trying to figure out everything. And then I have to get a size 8 switch.
Alright guys, I'm under a Supra. I haven't been under a car in forever. Hopefully this doesn't freaking fall on my head like last time.
Yeah, that's plenty.
Ah. Oh, I see. This one's connected to here.
Having fun yet?
Yeah, I'm under a car. Alright, so I did not know that this Supra just has one whole exhaust. It's not like sectioned into like mid-pipe, axle back, cat back, whatever. And it's just one big ass piece all the way to the downpipes. At least this is more sectioned off.
Alright, ready?
Oh shit, you grab one.
Oh no, you're good.
Holy, guys, look, see, it is one fucking piece all the way through.
Get my arm.
Got you.
Alright.
Sheesh.
Now we get.
It's a big boy, it's like an air tank. You didn't even unbolt that when you started, right?
I did.
Now what? The look of defeat. Jack it off, jack it off. Damn, pull out game strong.
Fuck.
Damn, it's almost as gold as my ratchet.
It does look gold. Now, I need a sip of beer.
Alright, so we're gonna figure out how we're gonna feed this wire through so that we can work with the valve system.
Too short for this.
Alright guys, so Sarit is finally putting on the first part of the exhaust. This angle looks like you're playing with yourself.
And that slides into that. Make sure you go all the way to where it's supposed to. And then
what holds it
you
up?
got this bolt right here.
Oh, sweet.
That's the little bracket that was right there.
Yeah.
I'll have everything loose for now. Once we test fit it and everything aligns, then we can bolt everything up.
If you guys need anything done, hit up Sarit. He's probably gonna say no because he's still finishing up his cars, but doesn't hurt to ask. Money talks.
Does it? That becomes a liability though.
Yeah.
So,
there you go. Push it in more.
we'll see. We have to also check clearance to see if there's any areas that it might hit.
Looks good already.
Maybe I need to back it up a little bit.
Pull it out.
Let's try right there. We can let it hang for now, and then we'll get the last piece.
Which will be held up by this.
Yes, those two, and then it has a few bolts that we have to put on.
Alright, once we get it on, I'll show you guys how it looks. Huge shout out to XForce once again for sending us this. We cannot wait to hear how it sounds. We're gonna mock everything up, make sure everything fits, it clears everything. I finished the install for you. Damn, that looks sick.
Put my crotch in the way right here.
What up? If you guys didn't know, that's Sarit's old Datsun, and that's the one that he built and he took to my meet like 2 years ago. So we got a full-blown car day, guys. Sarit's homies came out. Dude, so sick. Damn. Probably one of the only Mustangs that I like because I love this body. And then this car is sick. Kept the wheels. Damn, dude. I really wanted to buy this car off him, but I knew I just couldn't afford it at the time. But I'm glad I went to a good owner that kept it the way that Sarit built it, but you know, added his own flair. But yeah, exhaust is pretty much on. The only issue that we were having is the Y pipe is kind of hitting his bracket, and we know that it'll rattle when we start the car and drive it, so we're trying to mess around with fitment and get a little more clearance because we don't want it to sound like, oh, it's rattling. We want to hear the exhaust. We're gonna settle with the tips sticking out about 1.5 inches. I really like the way it looks, and so does he. And we're finally gonna start this thing and see what we think.
Yeah, I did.
Sounds sick, like a race car.
BPU Supra.
It does.
Guys, closed sounds good. And open too, but closed, fire. This car looks so good. So you wanna take it for a drive? Like do some flybys real quick?
We can do a flyby. All right, let's do this.
Let's do it with it full open. Oh shit. It fucking sounds like thunder. Alright guys, we're gonna do closed now. Bro, so I think closed sounds better.
I don't know. Come in.
We think closed sounds better because when you have it fully open, the car is asking to breathe. It wants more air, so you need downpipes in order to perfect the sound of the exhaust, but closed sounds really good because it sounds controlled.
It does.
We're gonna open it up. I'm telling you, it sounds like it wants more air. Let's have it closed again. And it's gonna sound normal.
It's like the stock car.
Almost, right? It sounds sick. Unfortunately, you might need a downpipe, but other than
Unfortunately, I need a downpipe.
well, let's see. Let's have you break it in and maybe it'll sound a little better.
Yeah.
Damn, you know how to drive stick? You're so attractive.
Ooh, baby.
Hey, bro, you didn't put this in there? Damn. Holy shit. Sheesh. Bro, you got the Fast and the Furious house over here.
That's my new car. That's my newest car. God, I miss my car.
Dude, he bought your car and he did it better.
He did it better.
Put an LS in it.
Now I'm stuck with this piece of shit.
Alright, bro, thank you again. I hope you enjoy it.
Let
me know. We're gonna come back. We're gonna film another video for you guys and see if it sounds better broken in, or if not, he just needs a downpipe. But huge thank you to XForce once again for sending.
Thanks for the exhaust.
And there you guys have it. I hope you enjoyed today's video with the new A91 manual GR Supra. Next video, we're gonna do a full-blown review of what we think of the exhaust, because we need to break it in, let him drive around in it for a week, and hopefully it sounds a lot better. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll be back with more videos soon, and I will catch you in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.